So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Take Solutions. So we'll try to focus mainly on the technicals of the company and we'll find the next set of targets. So we'll also do the volume analysis, which is very important. So about this particular stock we already discussed. Now we'll update the levels to find out the next supports. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So when we discussed about Take Solution in our previous videos, that is almost 1 month back, we discussed the fundamentals of the company, and also I updated in the Telegram section that it is present at a good level, that is 38 rupees. So at 38 rupees I mentioned in the Telegram and I suggested that if you can add, then definitely you can add this particular stock. So both for positional as well as long term. So almost it has touched the 60 rupees level in a very short span of time. So many people have added that. So now we'll try to update the levels and we'll see next supports as well as resistances. So if you have not watched the video regarding the fundamentals of the company, then definitely you can watch this particular video so that everything will be clear to you. So when we discussed about the fundamentals of the company, so I told you that the company belongs to both the pharmaceuticals as well as the software development. So the major business of Take Solutions, we know that it is present outside the country, that is in Middle East as well as in American countries. So everything was going well, but in one quarter we know that the financials have dropped drastically. So that was the main reason why the stock almost went to 36 rupees level. So that's why I told, since the bottom is formed and when it has given little bit of movement from that particular level, I suggested that you can add at that particular levels. So since it's technically active, so we should also observe the technical so that next levels can be identified. And also we know that the AGM, that is the annual general meeting of Take Solution, was also held last week, and that was also very positive and positive statements were reported. So nothing to panic, just we need to focus on the levels. So technicals are important. So even when the market is correcting, so this particular stock without any major downfall, it has been respecting the 50 rupees level. So in volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 4th September 47% deliverable quantities were seen, and if you compare with the previous sessions, so you can see slight decrease is present. And you can see traded quantity is present, so you need to be little attentive if you're taking any fresh positions. So when you're holding from the bottom level, so definitely you can hold. For the fresh positions, I will discuss on the technical charts. So delivery wise, okay, very decent deliveries were reported by the company. Only important thing is that traded quantity is present. It implies that little bit of operator activity is also present. So when we discuss about the momentum of the stock, so we can see that slightly the momentum of the stock was reduced. So we know that from the past few days, even the market was in correction phase. So not only this stock, so many stocks have shown correction, but we need to find an opportunity to add in best quality stocks. And RSI, you can see it is near 50, and money flow index, you can see it's near 69. So generally we know that 70 above is called overbought region and 30 below is called oversold region. So whenever any stock approaches overbought region, we know that little correction happens, and whenever any stock approaches oversold region, little bit of pullback, that is reversal, will happen. Okay. So what you need to do, so clearly you can see when we discussed in 38, it was completely in oversold region, from where again it has, when it touched the 60 rupees level, it has completely gone to the overbought region. So from overbought region, definitely little correction will happen. So definitely that only has happened in this stock. So minute correction is there. So today you can see here it sustained the 50 rupees level. So we'll see on technical charts what to do. Okay, these were the previous levels. So that is the 38.47, which we first discussed, from where you can see how well it has given a movement. So that is the essence of the levels. Even you should employ these type of techniques. Mainly you can draw the trend lines. I have already discussed in my earlier videos regarding how to draw the trend lines, how to identify the price action, how to draw exactly the supports as well as resistances. So these are very important. You need to have this basic education so that whenever you enter into any positional trade or any intraday trade, so these things will be very useful. So currently you can see this particular level, sorry, let me draw. So this particular level, that is the 50 rupees level, is very important. So tomorrow if you get a chance again, if it sustains the 50 rupees level, then you can enter with small quantity with a stop loss of 48 rupees. So this may be for positional or long term, depends upon you, but always invest in small quantities, since major thing is that the financials of the company, apart from that everything is good. So always whenever you give any entry, enter with small quantity. So you can see as the money flow index, when it has reached the overbought region, so that's why correction was seen, but later we can know that it has come down from the overbought region and it's near 70, so slightly less than overbought region. Okay. So currently when we see in 1 week chart, so in 1 week chart also we can see clearly since the past few weeks the stock has given a very good run up. So currently it is in little bit of correction. So you need to keep strict stop losses of 48 rupees and then only you should enter, and enter with small quantities so that profit also will be decent. So why I discussed about 38 rupees level, so clearly you can see before also it has respected that particular level, and again when it has given movement, so same movement, little bit correction, again movement was seen. So positionally as well as for long term we can say a decent returns will be given. Okay, so since market is in little correction phase, so we need to have patience, especially in these type of stocks. So whenever correction happens, so in money flow index also you can see the stock is not yet reached the overbought region, so almost you can expect 10 to 15% profit as a positional trader. Okay, hope everything is clear. So mainly we discussed about technicals. So if you want the fundamentals, you can refer my previous videos. So in next videos we'll discuss about another stock. So until then, take care. Bye bye.